If you want to cancel your Kayak subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Kayak website or open the Kayak app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the website or app. Step 3. Find subscription information. Look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. Here, you should see details about your current subscription plan. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Select the option to cancel your subscription. Follow any prompts or instructions provided to confirm your cancellation request. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After submitting your cancellation, check for a confirmation email or notification within the app to ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Kayak subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Kayak's customer support for assistance.